your host. It's gonna be a short video, very short. Installing this brake light on the Talaria. I already got made up a little makeshift bracket. It's not on there the best, but it's not going anywhere. I gotta work on this bracket a little more. Why is it moving like that? When I installed this light switch and everything, a couple people asked me about a brake light or whatever. So now I'm finally getting around to it. I found a light that I kind of like. It's a bit big though. When you hit the brakes, it strobes and everything. Well, when you hit the brakes, it goes solid. This is what it looks like running. This is the running light. It goes back and forth. I think it's an eye catcher. I didn't hook up the brake part of it as yet. Anyway, running the wires, I got this hooked up to the tail light. So I'm basically just adding a brake light to it. So I put the sensor wire back into the brake leader. I just put the one on the front for now. I'm gonna run it up under here and everything. But now I'm just trying to figure it out. So what I figured, I'm gonna take this green wire, and this wire is here already. That was there from the tail light from before. This always has power once the bike comes on. So I'm gonna take power from here. I'm gonna run it to this green wire, and then I'm gonna run this green wire back to this white wire, and I think that should do it. So let's see. Okay, this is how I intend to get the third wire in there. I'm gonna connect it to this, and I'm gonna pull it out of here. I think I got it right now. The green wire, cutoff wire from the brake cutoff, I have it going to the black positive wire. That's in the Talaria. And the red wire, I have it going back to the brake light wire. I'm gonna see if I can connect up this brake light right quick. Okay. The one that's kind of dizzying. Kind of like it though. Let's see. Not sure how well it shows up, but that's about like 30 feet away. About 30 feet away. I'm gonna button all this stuff up. Trying to figure how I'm gonna put it all in place or whatever. I think I'm missing something in here. Yeah, when I took this apart, I might be missing something because it's rather loose. And if I tighten it all the way in, that thing stays activated. But when I pull it back, this activates it. So I'm gonna check into that to see if I lost something there. But anyway, I gotta see if I find something. I think a spring goes in there. I'm not sure. How's the light looking?
Taking the same way back?
Yeah, basically.
Oh, yeah, he's pretty tall back there.
Yeah, his headlight is crazy.
Yeah, we should be good.
Huh? Oh, where you going under?
Where you going this way? Where you going there?
It don't matter. We got the same light. Got the same light, yo. Sick. tricky, man. Woo! Road right here is terrible.